The pen tool in Photoshop is an advanced drawing tool for creating custom paths and shapes. The pen tool works by creating anchor points and connecting paths between them. To draw a shape with the pen tool, ensure Shape is selected in the Tool Mode drop-down in the Options bar. Then, click within the canvas to create the first anchor point. Move the cursor and click again to create another point, and repeat to create as many anchor points as required to draw the desired shape. To close a shape, click on the first point again. To add more anchor points to a path, click and hold on the pen tool in the toolbar and select the Add Anchor Point tool. Then, click on a path to create more anchor points. To remove anchor points, select the Delete Anchor Point tool and click the points. To create a curved side, click and drag to create anchor points. Two handles which control the curvature of the line will appear. To modify the curve, switch to the Direct Selection tool, and then click and drag the handles. Switch back to the pen tool to continue drawing the shape as desired. Shapes created with the pen tool can be modified in the same ways as shapes drawn with the standard shape tools. Adjust the settings for the shape, such as the color, in the Options bar as desired. In addition to creating shapes, the pen tool can be used to draw paths. Paths are lines that can be used for a variety of drawing purposes. To create a path with the pen tool, create a new layer. Select Path in the Tool Mode drop-down, and create a path as previously described. Open the Paths panel to access path controls such as Stroke Path, which will add a stroke to the path based on the most recently used brush. The pen tool and direct selection tools can also be used to modify shapes created with the standard shape tools. More information about Photoshop, including additional information about the pen tool, can be found in our other videos, as well as the PLU knowledge base.